Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a free avatar on Roblox. So go to your avatar section here and you're going to go to the marketplace. You're going to select this icon here and you're going to basically select the price range or just select price low to high. Then you're going to apply it and you're going to go to characters, and as you can see here are everything that is free. So for instance, you want the Cindy one, you're just going to select that and you're going to select free and you're going to select get, and you'll be able to get this cute avatar and not the basic ones. There's also this Roblox girl, Serena, and there's a lot of options you can choose from until this base body. Same as clothing, you can try to find some free items as well. Some of them you'll have to, I guess, like it's limited and you have to like play a game for it. But this one is like free, I guess. Oh, this one's free? Really? This is cute. Oh, I'm gonna get it. And I'm just going to select that. And that's how you can create a free Roblox avatar. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!